Hi guys, this is Keith Johnson. What I want to do is give you an updated video on how to post on Craigslist. This is going to be a simplified video. Pay close attention. Now, I'm on Google Chrome. What you're going to do is before you post an ad on Craigslist, you want to come over to the right-hand corner to where you see this icon. It looks like a hamburger. Left-click it and come down to New Incognito Window. That's going to allow you to post under radar so Craigslist doesn't track you. Here, you're going to go to craigslist.org. You're also going to go to your Gmail account, and and then also what you're going to do is type in Craigslist symbols. That's the third thing you do. And you're going to give it a moment for these tabs to open. Okay, now it's going to automatically take me to my city where I reside, but you can come over to the right hand side, and these are nearby cities that will allow you to post. Now, when you post on Craigslist, you can stick with states that surround you within a 300-mile radius. So if I'm in Arkansas, I can post in Texas, Illinois, Kansas, and I can also post in Tennessee, okay? But for this ad, I'm going to post in Memphis. I can come over here and find Memphis in this column, or if it's not listed there, I can come over and hit Craigslist. I can come down and, excuse me, go down to Tennessee and click Memphis right here from the main catalog. Now it's going to ask me, let me go back. It's going to say Craigslist.org wants to use your computer's location. You always hit block, 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 then proceed, and then hit Memphis. Now you're on Memphis. From here, you're going to go to Post to Classifieds. Okay. You're going to go to Job Offered. And then you're going to accept the terms and conditions or the guidelines. Now, you have categories to choose from. There's different type of jobs out there. Our job is best served for the customer service category. Also, business management. You also have sales, which is a good one. And then you also have marketing, advertising, PR jobs. Now, the top two would be customer service and then sales. The most calls will come from customer service because it's more of a generic category. So you're going to do customer service. And what you're going to do is come over to your Gmail, and you're going to simply log into your Gmail account. And it's loading me in. Now, from here, it's going to ask you to build your ad. So you're going to put in your email. You're going to come over here to the upper right corner, and it's going to drop down a menu with your email. So what you're going to do, right click, copy, or Control C on your keyboard. Then you're going to come over here and paste it. Now, if you can't paste it, just hit Control and then the letter V, as in Victor. Control V, and then hit Control V again. Users can contact you by phone, and then phone number you put in your Google Voice account, okay, that you created, okay, and then your contact number or contact name. Then the title. What you're going to do is once you Google Craigslist symbols, it's going to give you some page results. Come over to Classy Ads, and this is going to allow you to decorate your ad. Now, this isn't required, but it's going to allow you to have your ad jump out so people can find your ad, because there's other people who have ads on Craigslist you're competing with. So what I like to do is I like to highlight the hand, the little right arrow. I'm going to hit Control C to copy it and Control V to paste it. And I'll put two of those right there. Now, I already have an ad written up. Basically, now this ad right here is not active. It's been flagged. It's not on Craigslist. But if you have an ad pre-written, you can have it pre-written on a Microsoft Word document or in a composed email form, or we have sample ads on the training. So you just get you an ad that's already pre-written, and basically you can copy. This is the title, okay? So from here you will flip back over because you're flipping browsers. You're going to hit Control V and type all that in there for your title, and then the city that you're posting in. Then you're going to come down and you're going to put in the description. Now, guys, with this position, you always want to be specific. You want to make sure they have a phone, computer, and a bank account. So I like to put that in there. This is just like a recipe, like you're cooking, okay? All of this ad right here, and then you're going to copy, flip back over to incognito mode. Okay, incognito mode shows that little guy right there in the upper left corner, lets you know you're in incognito mode, and then you're going to paste it. Face itching. And I'll read it to you. Advertising network is seeking marketing agents. Choose on hours, daily pay bonuses, self-employed. I misspelled description, so I'll go ahead and correct that. Post ads on the internet, answer mail calls, give away free trials, $100 per call. Why are we here? Companies pay our phone reps to give out their special offers. It is called incentivized marketing. I don't need that line. I'll take that line out. Qualifications: must have a bank account, must have a computer, phone, work independently, able to follow instructions. And I will also put complete trial offers to qualify as a paid agent. Now, on your ad, beware. Do not use language like work from home or referral agent. Craigslist doesn't like those words that can hurt your chances of getting your ad active on Craigslist. So what you want to do is substitute with other words. Instead of work at home, say telecommute to work. Or instead of saying referral agent, say customer service associate, you know, something like that. Once you have your ad written out, excuse me, you're going to put down compensation, TBD, for to be determined. And then you can highlight telecommuting, okay. Ignore all this stuff and showing on the maps. You can ignore that part. And then hit continue. And you can add images. I don't put images on mine. I just keep it plain. You hit done with images. And then it gives you one final look at what the ad will look like. And as you can see, I made some changes. Basically, I added, I spelled description. I corrected the spelling of description. I added in the qualifications. You must complete the trials. And that's pretty much it. And then once you were done, everything looks good. Now, if you need to go back and change something, hit edit text, edit or images or map, whatever. But you can hit edit text to change anything. Make sure there's enough spaces and gaps between your ads so it looks good to the human eye. Then you're going to hit publish, okay? And as you can see, the symbols looks like that, okay? Now, once you publish the ad, you're going to come to your email, and it should be right here. You're going to confirm it to make sure it goes on Craigslist. When you access the email, click this link, okay? Now, if this is a new Craigslist account, it's going to ask you to put in a phone number. It's going to text you a code or give you a call with the code. But always, if you have a smartphone, just have it text you the code. And whatever the code is on your phone, you'll type that in on the website to get your account verified. Accept the terms of use. Okay. Accept the terms of use. And what you're going to do, it says, thanks for posting with us. We really appreciate it. View your post. And what you're going to do is you're going to click this link right here. This is where your post can be found online. And this is your ad. Now, this ad will go up in about 15 minutes, an hour at the latest. You can always go back and check. What you want to do, your final step is you're going to come down here to best of, and you're going to highlight best of. A little heart will appear. And you're going to do this 4 times. You're going to come up here and refresh the page. Come down here, hit best of again. Come up here to the upper left corner and refresh the page, hit best of. And then upper left corner again and hit best of. This will get your ad a little bit stronger, so therefore your competitors won't flag your ad and get it shut off Craigslist, okay? Plus, it'll allow you to get your ad active on there to begin with. So you want to hit the best of feature and refresh about 4 times. And then you can close everything out. That out, close that out, and your email. Now, you can check your posting by going to Memphis Craigslist and go to customer service. And your ad is going to be right here at the top. It's going to be actually right above this ad. We help the less fortunate who are not working. It's going to be above that ad. And it'll stay for a few hours until more people post above you and your ad will fall down the ladder. Your best times to post is in the morning around 8, 9 a.m. when most people are looking for a job. best days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and it gets slower towards the end of the week and weekends. But you know, to give you a little bit more of a broader opinion, the best times in the morning. The next best time would be in the lunchtime between 12 and 2 when people are on lunch or they're looking for another job, they're bored at work, or after work around 7 p.m. when people have made it home, they're tired, they're looking for another job, and they're unwinding for the day. Now, as you can see, these ads all look familiar. Ads that stand out are those that are capitalized. That helps your ad to jump out visually. And this is my ad, guys, right here. King of all jobs, home phone agents, $120 per call, hire now. My ad stands out because I have that Craigslist symbol. Now, you don't need to add the Craigslist symbol all the time. The bad thing about adding it is it makes you a target. So if I'm your competitor, I can flag your ad. But again, if you hit the best of feature about 4 times, that last step, that will combat that, okay, a lot of the flagging. But as you can see, posting that symbol really makes your ad stand out. If you start at the top and work your way down, your eyes are going to visually stop right here. You're going to see my ad. That's going to allow me to get more calls, more money, okay? So that's basically posting on Craigslist, okay? So what you're going to do, one final note, with one Craigslist account, you can post one ad every 48 hours. So if you write, like if you have that Gmail account, you would write down in your notebook on Mondays. If you post it Monday at 9 a.m., you post that one ad. Wednesday at 9 a.m., you can come back, log into your Gmail account, and you'll be able to renew the ad. And this is how you're going to renew the ad. You're going to find, you're going to go down. Now, I created folders just to keep myself organized, and I'll show you how to create these folders in a second. But you're going to come down, you're going to find the ad. After 48 hours have passed, you'll be able to come back and renew the ad, which will allow you to kind of do a shortcut without having to redo the ad all over again. Craigslist introduced a new feature called Renew, which means you hit one button that says Renew, and your ad will shoot back up to the top all over again. So I found one ad. Let's bring it back up. Oh, it's been flagged. Okay, so let me pick another one. Let's do marketing agent. Come on, come on, come on, come on. All right, now when you find that after 48 hours have passed, you'll be able to go to your email, find that ad, and hit renew. Once you hit renew, this ad will shoot back up to the top of the list, and that's all you do. And then the calls and the resumes will trickle into you. Now, what you want to do, guys, is you want to set you up folders if you can, just to keep organized. What you do is come down your Gmail, hit more, and go down to create new label. Let's call this label customer service. Okay? Then you can come down here again, create new label. Create new label and do sales. And then hit create. And then there you go. You're going to have your customer service folder and your sales folder. And I even created a flag folder just to keep track of all the ads that get flagged. And you hit customer service. Now, every time you post a new ad, you're going to come over here, hit star, and then open up the ad that we just posted, the need income, right? And what you're going to do is come over here to the top to where it says labels, and you're going to check mark customer service. This is a customer service ad, and hit apply. And right when you do that, it'll end up being in this folder. And it's 2:34 p.m. Okay, so therefore you keep track of all your ads. Now, if you have another, what you can do is that's one account, one ad, and that's going to be from Memphis, Tennessee. What you can do is create another Craigslist account. It has to be email verified and phone verified. So you need a new email, a new phone number. You get a new phone number by your friends, your family. They can help you reestablish another account. That account could be used for. Okay, guys. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you have at least 2 Craigslist accounts, starting instant rewards, because Craigslist is going to be your first way to generate immediate calls and immediate income. Now, one Craigslist account is okay, but the more accounts you have, the better. So what you want to do is you have 2 Craigslist accounts. You can each account must be email verified and phone verified. So if you have a phone number, you have an email account, you get one Craigslist account. What you can do to get that second Craigslist account established, ask your spouse or a brother, sister, mother, something like that to help you activate another Craigslist account. These are 2 accounts. This account right here, I primarily use to post in Memphis, Tennessee. If I post on a Monday, I can come back Wednesday and post a whole brand new ad, and then I can come back on Friday and post a whole nother ad. You post in 48-hour intervals. What you can do is start posting one Craigslist account Monday morning. Tuesday morning, you can get you another Craigslist account and you can post in another city. This email right here, and I know these are some funny titles, guys, but what I recommend you do is on Tuesday morning, get you another Craigslist account and use the second account to post in a different city of choice. Maybe Springfield, Missouri, okay? So every 48 hours, you can kind of flip back and forth between the 2 accounts. Now, any additional accounts would require additional emails and phone numbers. What you can do is you can get you a $10 track phone from Walmart like I did. And this is the secret bonus tip. This is a track phone. Okay, and this phone allows me ability to change my number every couple of seconds, so I can create an unlimited supply of Craigslist accounts and of course email accounts. And so I can literally create 30 accounts in one day if I chose to, and then I can alternate. I can post in 30 cities, 30 different accounts. Now this will work best if you're using a library computer instead of a home computer, if you can, start with the your home computer, see what type of results you get. Your ad should go up fine, but if you try to do a lot of posting from the same computer IP address, go to the library. It's worth it, okay? Since you're earning $100 per call. And then that can help you boost Craigslist accounts. But you can start with 2. You get a few calls throughout the day from those 2 cities. And then at that point, you follow the script, get them on the blog, and you'll be able to be successful. Now the ads, guys, you go to the blog, go to the bottom, click here for training. Here's your training. Again, you go right here to this tab. It's highlighted, sample ads. Click that. Here's some sample ads right here. Okay, all the way down this page. And there's additional ads on some of these bonus training sites. Go to this tab right here. IamInMarketer.com. There's ads. For example, I'll click IamInMarketer.com. Okay, and then you're going to go to Advertising 101. Go down here to Sample Text Ads. And then once you click that, it will give you ads, okay? So that's pretty much it, okay? So congratulations. Get you some ads on Craigslist. And then make sure you keep organized with all your ads. Write them down, the passwords. Make sure each account has a specific city that you post in, and you post in intervals of 48 hours. Okay. Always renew your ads every 48 hours, and favorite your ads to make sure it stays and sticks on Craigslist. Well, very well. Continue to watch the training videos, and we'll see you on the next video. All right, bye.